My name is Nahid Sarwar. I'm a web analytics expert. I provide web analytics and digital marketing services for my client. I love to share my experience about web analytics, digital marketing, and digital skill in this channel. So learn more to subscribe my channel. So let's start our topics today.
In this video, we will learn how to keep admin access from your business manager. First, you have to come your business manager setting. So you can give access two way. One is people access on another is partner access. What is people access? You can give your page, ad account, pixel, data source. You can give your all access as a employee. You can add any employee in your business manager. This is you can invite any people from here for your business setting. Another option is partner. You can one business manager to another business manager. This is partner access. If someone manages your business manager as any partner, then you can give partner access. So first you have to come your business manager setting, click the setting option. Now click business setting. When you click business setting, you can come this page. This is business setting. Here you can give your access. So I give people access, add as an employee. So I just click people, invite people, and write the email address. So write the email address and click next. There is the option two. One is basic, another is full control. If you want to give full control access, just mark this full control. So I don't give full access, just I cut this option. I give basic access and click next. Here you see there is my all asset of business manager. Here ad account, pixel, catalog, and data set, and there is my page. So I just give this page access. So I just give him access to the content management and ad management. Also click add account. I also give access at this ad account. Just mark this and manage ad manage access. Then I keep catalog access. Here you see there are my two catalogs. So I just one catalog, and I mark this manage this catalog. Now I give the pixel option. This is my pixel data set. So I mark this and manage data set option. So now if you click this invite option, Facebook send a mail his mail address, and he can log in by his mail Facebook account and add your business manager. When he accept your request, you can see here as a people. You can also remove here from here. Another option is partner access. One business manager to other business manager access. You want to give access any marketing agency or any IT firm, you can give partner access. Who manage your business manager? So one business manager to another business manager access. There is option add option. You can just click here. You can see give a partner access. Another option is ask to partner access. If you want to give partner access, you need the partner business ID. Where you find the partner business ID? First you have to come business info. You can see business info. Just click this. This is my business ID. You can ask his business ID. So you ask the business ID from him to send a partner access. So just add here and click and give the partner ID. So you can ask the partner ID from your partner. When you get your partner ID, just paste the partner ID and click the next option. Then request is sent your partner, and he can see your partner request from here. When you accept, you can see this access is accepted here. You can also remove your partner. You can see there is one partner in my ID. So if I want this remove this partner, just I click remove. This is my partner. So I remove this partner. This is the way you can add your partner, remove your partner. So I hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel, get more video about Facebook marketing. I have a Facebook marketing playlist in my video description. There is many video about Facebook marketing. So see you next video. Bye bye.